In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Lottie animation in Webflow. By the end, you'll know exactly how to place a Lottie element, choose the right settings, preview it, and publish your changes with confidence. First, open your Webflow project in the Designer so you're looking at the page where you want the animation to live. Select the spot on the canvas where the animation should go. Now open the Add panel, go to Elements, then scroll to the Media section. Choose the Lottie animation element and place it in your layout. This adds a placeholder so you can connect a real animation file. With the Lottie element selected, head to its settings and click Replace Lottie Sequence. This is where you upload or select your Lottie JSON. If you already have an asset in your library, pick it. Otherwise, upload a JSON exported from BodyMovin. After it's attached, you'll see details about the animation, including the total frames. If you see something like 245 frames, click that to confirm the animation length and make sure it matches what you expect. Click Preview Animation to play it right in the Designer. If you want it to repeat continuously, enable Loop. If you need the motion to run backward, turn on Play in reverse. These toggles make it easy to test behavior before you wire up interactions. Next, choose a renderer. Select SVG if you want crisp vector scaling and potential styling control. Pick Canvas if the animation is complex and you need smoother performance on lower-powered devices. You can switch between SVG and Canvas to compare quality and speed. If you don't have an animation yet, use the Learn More About Lottie Animations or download an animation at Lottie Files, link to Browse Options, and bring one into your project. Back in Webflow, click Show All Settings to expand any advanced controls so you can fine-tune playback. Now jump to the Style panel to size and position the Lottie element. Set width, height, margins, and alignment so it fits your design at every breakpoint. When the visuals look right, open the Interactions panel to connect the Lottie to scroll, hover, click, or page load triggers. This is where you map animation progress to user behavior for polished micro-interactions. When you're happy, click Publish, then choose Publish to selected domains to push your changes live. Give the site a moment to update, refresh your published page, and confirm the animation plays as intended. That's it. Your Lottie animation is set up, styled, interactive, and live in Webflow.